Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play healer in New World. Becoming a great healer is incredibly rewarding, as you are the backbone of any successful group. Your main tool will be the Life Staff, which offers powerful restorative abilities. We'll cover everything from essential gear and attributes to key abilities and advanced strategies, ensuring you can keep your allies alive and thriving in Eternum. Let's dive into the fundamentals of this vital role. To optimize your healing, focus is your most important attribute, directly boosting your healing power. Aim for at least 300 to 450 focus. For survivability, allocate 100 to 200 points into Constitution. Light armor is generally preferred for its 30% outgoing healing bonus and agile dodge. Key perks like Blessed on your Life Staff and Fortifying Sacred Ground on armor are essential for enhancing your healing and group defense. Your core healing abilities revolve around the Life Staff. Sacred Ground is paramount. Place it strategically to heal allies within its 3-meter radius for 15 seconds. Orb of Protection offers both healing and a 10% fortify buff, increasing damage absorption. Divine Embrace is your Goda for quickly restoring a single ally's health. Remember to continuously use light attacks as they reduce your ability cooldowns by 5%, maximizing your healing uptime. For advanced play, consider pairing your Life Staff with a Void Gauntlet. Its Oblivion ability provides a 20% damage boost and additional healing, greatly enhancing team synergy. Always be hyper-aware of your surroundings and your team's health bars. Strategically place Sacred Ground on tanks or melee damage dealers, as they are often in the thick of combat. Effective communication about your cooldowns and intentions will elevate your healing to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.